Good evening. I am Karen Juliet Valencia Vargas.
I am Dan Alejandra Giro Muñoz. Hi, Karen. How are you today?
I find things just a little tired.
Why do you wake up early in the morning?
Yes, I do you a out at 6 o'clock every day.
Wow, that's early. What do you do after you wake up?
First, brush my teeth and take a shower in the bathroom. Then I have breakfast and the table with my family.
That sounds nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and the break and drink cup of coffee. My sister does drink coffee. She drinks orange juice.
Does your sister go to school too?
Yes, she does. She goes to school at 7:30. It's very close to our house.
Mm, what do you do in the afternoon? He stay in the morning and all in the afternoon?
Wow, he is very busy. What do you do on weekends?
On Saturdays, I visit my grandpa on the side and go to the park or the cinema.
Nice. I go to the park too. There's a big lake there.
Oh, really? It's beautiful.
Yes, it is. I love walking around the lake.
Perfect. My bed, it can go with you on that.
Sure, we can meet on site and then in the morning.
Great. See you on Sunday, Karen.
See you, Dana.